Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. This is Antonio, and today we will cover what is proof of work consensus and why it has been criticized recently. If you're new to the channel, we have done other related videos covering proof of stake consensus and other basic crypto terminologies. You might want to check it out. Before we start, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification button to keep receiving our regular content, and also give the video a thumbs up to help you get exposed to the YouTube community. Just a very quick disclaimer, nothing on our videos are financial advices or purchase and sell recommendations. Make sure that you invest in the crypto market only money that you can afford to lose, and research before you get started. Proof of work consensus mechanism became popular with the creation of the first cryptocurrency Bitcoin, and has been adopted by other cryptocurrencies, including Ethereum. Proof of work has recently started to receive criticism in the media due to its unnecessary usage of energy, producing carbon emissions, and polluting the planet. Proof of work is a form of consensus mechanism that verifies that a certain amount of computer power has been spent on the task to find the next answer or key that validates the next block of information to be written on the blockchain. It is a way to validate the transactions and decide which transactions to be added on the next block of information on that blockchain. And it rewards people participating in the network with some amount of that particular cryptocurrency. People that validate these transactions on the system, they're called miners. And the activity of validating this transaction is called mining. You will definitely come across these terms if you're looking into cryptocurrencies. Miners put their specialized computer network to solve or guess these complex mathematical problems. The more computers they have, the more guesses or chances to get the right answer. This is the proof that the work is being done and that the computational power is being spent. The computer that guesses the right key gets to write the next block of information on the blockchain and gets rewarded with some amount of cryptocurrency. This system uses large amount of computer power, and it has created a mining industry, and large amount of money has been spent creating these mining facilities. As you probably have realized by now, it consumes a large amount of electricity. Some estimates say that Bitcoin mining alone uses more energy than the whole countries like Argentina or Austria. Imagine that. We will cover some of the pros and cons with this technology, and some positive aspects of proof of work is that it is hard to be corrupted. You need 51% of the network of computers to be hacked at the same exact time to be able to change the rules. With this amount of computers on the network, it is almost impossible to be hacked, and it creates a more decentralized system with no one controlling it. Some negative aspects in that system, as mentioned before, is that it is energy hungry, and the cost of the equipment actually made mining activity more centralized in the hand of a few miners. It is also very slow, and fees are expensive compared to proof of stake, which is an alternative consensus mechanism. Check out our video on proof of stake to know more. This video is an introduction to proof of work consensus system, and it doesn't go into details of the computations and the validation system itself. We like to keep our videos beginners friendly and as straight to the point as possible. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We have a few videos on other topics you might want to have a look at. And let us know on the comment section what you think of the proof of work consensus system, and do you think it will survive this green agenda? And we'll see you on the next video.